He's like, I will eat. Look at him, he's like, I will eat your face. I will eat your face. I will eat your face. Bird, you make my life so much better.
I don't want him to attack me, so I don't want to go close. What is wrong with you?
I love this bird. I want this bird. America's His Dance Crew. And you're just chilling over here, and this bird's going nuts. I love this bird.
I want to buy him so I can put him actually
have
on America's Got
$500?
Talent. No.
He's like, snack break.
Oh, going back into it.
Did you guys need any help finding anything?
No, we're just watching a dancing bird.
Yeah, he dances.
They.
She's like, you guys are on crack.
Uh-huh. He probably thinks we're high.
Oh. You want me to watch you? What little birdie?
Okay, we get it. You can dance a lot. What about you? Oh,
What about your itchy? Itchy birdie, itchy birdie.
how about you?
Look at him, look at him. Just upside down. Spider bird.
Geez, you're an entertaining bird.
He's like, peekaboo.
I want your bird babies.
Cassie. Eggs.
Yeah, but when they hatch, they're babies.
Ah, he does it too. No, he doesn't. He's just bouncing.
Oh my god, that's awesome, man.
These birds got talent.
Next on Birds Got Talent.
He's still dancing. He bobbed. I was like, this was just going.
Yeah, I have to do them both.
Oh. You're a
That
jumper.
was pointless.
I'll get your clothes. Generally, Sarah C's gonna be in.